2.
Hi, my name is John Nersegan, and I'm the instructor for the Deep Tissue 2 class here at SomaTherapy. The Deep Tissue 2 class is going to be the start of a new advanced deep tissue series of classes that I'm going to be instructing here. To start the Deep Tissue 2 class, we're going to take muscles and we're going to isolate them from the rest of the body, and we're going to work them from origin to insertion. So right now I'm going to demonstrate here the tibialis anterior. We know its origin is the anterior tibia, and its insertion point is the base of the first metatarsal and the medial cuneiform. So I'm going to draw a line in between those 2 points, and we're going to do what's called a muscle strip. And this is going to be the basis for the work that's going to be in Deep Tissue 2. The muscle strip is a slow stroke that follows from origin to insertion or insertion to origin, and it follows along. It's a lengthening, go right along the tendon, and we're going to go right up to the attachment point of the anterior tibialis. There are several reasons we do this. One, it brings length into the muscle. It helps to align fiber, but it also is a great tissue assessment. So what I'm feeling for in this muscle, I'm feeling for inconsistencies in the muscle tissue, in the fiber, and when I've made my assessment, I'm going to pick massage strokes that are going to take care of those issues. So we find a little tangled up here. The fiber up here is a little tangled on the anterior tibialis. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to do a little cross fiber friction, and I'm going to go from border to border. As you can see here, I'm going to actually map out tibialis anterior, and I'm going to then cross fiber friction. And in the Deep Tissue 2 class, we're going to learn how to do this and isolate all of the muscles on the body, from superficial even to some of the deeper muscles. And we're going to come down there. And that is the premise of the deep tissue. So it's going to require a good extensive knowledge of palpation as well as origin insertion. And as we're doing that, we're going to be learning how to really assess tissue quality from an advanced perspective, to be able to find the tissue, figure out what's wrong. Is it going to require trigger point therapy, cross fiber friction, or do we need to stretch it, or do we need to relax it, or does it just need an exercise and get some strength in there? And that is going to be the base of the premise or the work of the Deep Tissue 2.